Star Readers, Discipline Band.
Yes po, actually, we're very excited for this upcoming tour because the MOA show that we did last December 14 was in its own way, even if it was the launch of it, we also learned a lot from the show. And it was kind of like step one sa buong tour na ito. Kaya yung kagandahan po kasi sa tour, kada show na lumilipas, maganda lalaki yung palabas. Kumaga para lang din siyang teatro na over time, gumaganda pinala. And I think yung Traveler Across Dimensions tour is something that we really passionate about continuously improving as a concert experience. Because as some of you may know, the tour is very visual heavy since it involves an animated universe that we created for this particular album. And I think it's such a new thing for us. So we really learn as quickly as we can. And we try to improve the experience in every show. Para kang nanonood ng animated film. Pero nasa show ka din. So parang ganun yung... I think as a band, we have always been very creative, not just in the music, but also in the way we make music videos, the way we approach every album and every project. And I feel like nung time na yun, once the songs were there, once we have completed the songs, we were thinking of a way to tie it all together in terms of the theme and the visual concept. Napaka-serendipitous lang ng mga pangyayari na may mga nakilala kaming animation studio na kumbaga, meron din silang same passion of bringing a creative project like this to life. After kung nag-flow lang siya ng tuloy-tuloy, kumbaga, nagkaroon ng character, which is si Liwanag, at nag-develop yung buong animated universe around it. Kaya, masaya po kaming na-exercise talaga namin yung creativity for this album by making and presenting the story of this animated universe.
I really enjoy new songs. Ako lang talaga, no? Well, that makes me excited. Diba? It's really the new songs we have. They're so fun to play. And more than that, they're so fun to play for the Liwanag community. Kasi, just like what they're saying, it's really, the way we envisioned this whole album was really to be played live. Well, of course, like, it's still nice to listen to, like, kaya rin namin siya pinagirapan recording it, but nothing beats, I guess, us playing it as a band for each other on stage and also for sharing it with the Liwanags. Plus, what comes with it talaga, with all the intentionality of what we've prepared, the mga visuals for it, it's really that whole experience, and it's something that we want them to enjoy also, visually, musically, and performance-wise. Imagine yun, like, us really enjoying it. I think it gives that different energy when you're playing it already for people. So,
naalala ko pa nung tinur namin yung first album namin. So, first tour experience namin siya. Tapos, lahat ng cities na mapuntahan namin, parang merong iba-ibang collective identity yung mga audience na pinupuntahan namin. Merong iba na grabe energy nila, pabalik. Merong iba na mas singing audience sila, so kinakanta nila sa amin pabalik yung mga kanta. Merong iba na may feel mo lang na mas listening audience sila. So, excited ako ma-experience ulit yun with this set of songs. Kasi, dahil nga, most of them malamang first time nilang maririnig din yung mga kanta na yun. And live pa. So, syempre, ibang experience din for them yun. And ibang experience din yun for us. Seeing them receive the songs.
Mabango. Hindi, totoo kasi. Ano talaga siya. Sabi ni Andrew nung nag-fangirl ako sa kanya, sabi niya, that's the straightest I've seen you in a while. para ako, nung na-meet po namin ulit siya, para siyang, yung pakikitungo niya sa amin, pakikitungo. Para siyang, old friend. Yung parang, hey guys, hindi ko in-expect na parang siya yung mag-i-initiate.
Siya pa yung nag-hug, no?
Diba? And nandiyan kami lahat isa-isa. Na-chika pa namin siya on the, like, mga ating life updates. Na-feel ko yung responsibility. And I mean, he's always talking about like how becoming a father has changed him for the better, ganyan. So, medyo na-feel ko rin yun. Akala mo naman sobrang close. But, like, 1 year after meeting him, nung na-meet ko siya ulit, parang looking at how he has changed through that year na yun. Parang, wow, he quit alcohol to be better for his kids, for his, para yung support din yung lifestyle niya. Ang batak niya.
Ngayon na lang, parang, yung aura lang yan, nag-exude siya na he takes care of his health. And I think it's so, sobrang nakaka-inspire siya. Kasi as a touring musician, grabe rin yung demands of his schedule and yung physicality niya. And also now, as we are about to begin our tour again, parang nakaka-inspire siya na, guys, ganun pala talaga dapat. So, yun. I mean, ganda, pati yung balat niya, ganda. Skincare, di ba? Neck pillow. Talagang number 1 yun. Tsaka matututo kang yung iba't ibang angulo ng pagtulog ng nakaupo. Minsan kasi kapag kunyari, lumilipad kami. Tapos, syempre, pag sa economy kami lahat, yung legroom, hindi yan palaging generous. So, kailangan mag-iba ka ng angle sa...
Ako, camera.
Camera.
Kasi, lalo na sa tours na iba-iba yung lugar na pupuntahan namin. Masarap i-document. Earphones. Yeah. Noise cancelling.
Wala, feeling ko phone. Kasi gusto ko ding nag-check sa mga liwanag na pupuntahan namin. So, doon ako na-excite yung ma-meet ulit sila ng ganitong, like, we've been to a lot of places. So, nag-tour kami sa, like, Canada and US. Pero iba to na dito naman sa Pilipinas. So, excited ako na ma-meet sila.
Recently, binudol ako ni Pat ng retro handheld console na hindi kailangan ng internet. So, malit lang siya na console na nandun lahat ng mga Game Boy games kaya PS1 games. So, medyo solid na.
PS1?
Yeah, may PS1 dun. So, may Tekken 3 ako dun, men. Wala ka dun. Natutulog ka lang sa plane. Ako nagte-Tekken. By the way, wait lang. Speaking of neck pillow, alam niyo ba na sa plane pala, yung proper na pagsuot ng neck pillow, paharap.
Yun nga.
Weird, no?
Ako same kay Jam. Noise cancelling headphones.
Ako siguro workout clothes. Kasi gym is life.
Kindle.
Kindle.
Kapag puyat, temper eye mask.
Exchange.
Ang pinakamahalagang baon do ay yung pakikisama. Hey guys, kami ang And i-invite namin kayo sa Travel Across Dimensions Tour. Magsisimula na po yan sa May 24 sa Cebu at magpapatuloy siya all the way until December of this year. Tutugtog po kami sa Bacolod, sa Davao, sa US, sa Singapore at maraming iba pang cities near you kung gusto nyo kaming tumunto dyan. Kaya sana makita namin kayo soon and we're very excited to be able to share this whole concert with you. Kita-kits tayo guys. Maraming salamat, Joanna.